our skin.
Well, hello there my babies, welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Esther and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Before we get started, you guys already know the drill. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when your girl uploads. So in today's video, you guys, I did a 5-minute makeup look for y'all, and this is what's it came out like, okay? Now on a regular day and I want to look a little bit put together, this is the look that I usually go for, and I love it. I feel like I look really see, listen, I'm already beautiful, but I feel like this just makes me look really more prettier. And I look more realistic. I mean, I love makeup, don't get me wrong, but y'all know I be palette. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, you guys. Grab yourself a snack, whatever, get comfortable. I got my tea here. I was sipping and drinking, all right, my babies, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna start, well, no, not I think, you guys know the drill. I start with my brows first, obviously. I don't know, I feel like it's so much easier. Once I start with my brows, everything else just like falls in place. And when you have 5 minutes, for me, because I have thin brows are the first thing that needs to be out and away, okay? Then the rest, I'm just like, for brows, I'm gonna use 2 products because I'm not going for like a perfect brow routine at all. It's gonna be, in a way, kind of messy because we want it to look a little bit natural. Because, I mean, let's be honest, 5 minutes, you ain't got time to be doing too much, okay? Normally, I would like scope my brows and fill it in really well, give it a nice little arch, but today, we ain't got time for that. So I'm gonna grab this Anastasia Brow Gel, and I'm also gonna grab this NYX Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to grab the Anastasia Brow Gel, just like fill in my brows with this a little bit. Okay, so you see how that kind of like filled it in a way? And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab this NYX Brow Pencil. I'm not gonna do too much, you guys, just watch. Girl, listen, you got 5 minutes. That brow gel like fills it in a little bit, so you're not gonna sit here and, you know, fill in your brows for too long. It's just like now outlining the brows. And like, voila, brows are done. That's simple. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab a moisturizer. Now FARSÁLI just released their new moisturizer, and this is the FARSÁLI Rose Gold Elixir 24 karat moisturizer gel cream. Now y'all know I'm not gonna go without moisturizing my face. Like, listen, no, that's not happening. But I'm gonna try this moisturizer out today. Ooh, this smells so good. My face is breaking out a little bit, you guys. Ignore that, okay? Your girl has been eating really bad lately. Like, super bad. So I need to go back to my healthy eating habits. Well, I have been mixing it together. Healthy, then fast food. Healthy, then fast food. But I feel like fast food has really tore up my skin lately. So we're gonna just go back into like eating healthy again. But this moisturizer, ooh, feels so good. It smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. FARSÁLI never disappoint, like at all. They have amazing products. So I'm also gonna grab this FARSÁLI Rose Gold Skin Mist, and this is a hydrating prime and setting spray. So you can prime with this, you can set it, and it also hydrates your skin. I love this because obviously I don't have time to sit here and put primer on. So this will be like a nice fix once I moisturize my face. For me, when I do a 5-minute makeup look, now little do you guys know, I do this kind of look a lot. Like a lot. I don't go out too much, okay? Now when I go out, I do a full bit face, but when I don't go out and I'm going to like something more like church, somewhere that I don't need a lot of makeup or look a lot glam, this is the routine that I usually do, just to make me look a little bit alive and put together, because y'all see I do got dark circles, and I have a little bit of acne scars, a little. I actually got rid of my acne scars. Thank God, I got rid of them, but I have a few here and there, and I do have a little bit of discoloration, I feel like on my lip I do. It's a little darker and stuff, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do too much, honestly, because I still want to keep some of that on my face so that it doesn't look like I have much makeup on, but I am gonna cover my dark circles. That I have to do. Like, I have to cover my dark circles. I feel like these babies need to be like covered, but I'm also not going to like conceal like how you do the triangle shape and stuff, because I'm not highlighting, I'm not contouring, I'm not doing all of that. I'm just pretty much concealing, color correcting, you can say, but with the same shade of concealer. And I'm also gonna clean up our brows as well. You have to clean up, I can't leave my brows looking like this. They gotta be cleaned a little bit. To blend all of that in, I'm gonna grab this Morphe M461 brush. This is like a little bit of a stippling brush. I prefer something like this because it kind of like makes the concealer blend in more natural. So I'm just like lightly brushing and blending it all in. And then any excess or leftover product, I'm just going to work it around my face. Now, if you're gonna try this kind of look, and let's say you have more acne scars or dark spots and stuff that you want to cover up, I would highly recommend you guys to get like a concealer that has a little bit of a fuller coverage. I like this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer that I just used because it gives me like a nice little coverage, and yet it's so natural looking, and it still covers up a little bit of my problem areas and stuff. Okay, we already look alive, put together, just a little bit. To set everything all in, I'm gonna grab this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. This is just going to be set around the face quick. Even under the eyes where I put the concealer, because I don't have time to sit here and grab like a setting powder for my under eye and stuff. So we're gonna set everything with this powder. And then I'm also gonna take that powder and just like set my eyes as well, because even though I used creams, I still gotta set it so it can like stay at one spot. And I think that we're set, we're good. I'm not going to contour, sadly, one of my favorite things to do, because listen, we gotta contour some things around here, okay? But today, I'm just gonna grab a blush. I feel like a blush just brings a little bit of color into the skin so that I'm not looking too flat. Now, you can leave it like this. I know some girls are gonna be like, that's still a lot of products. Listen, to me, it's not. It's little, okay? Take it from a girl who does makeup on a daily. This is too small, okay? We're not using a lot of products. But if you feel like this is good enough, I like it like this too. But I feel too flat, okay? Since I'm not contouring, I'm not doing all of that. I'm gonna grab blush. Now, a trick for this, grab a liquid blush. It's gonna look so much more realistic, like you're really blushing out here, instead of a powder. A powder, it's gonna look a little bit more powdery, and we don't want that look at all. So for this, I'm gonna grab this KAJA Beauty blush, and this is in the shade Saucy. Now, I love this blush so much. Check this out. So I take this. It's actually stuck together. It's put together. So I just take the bottom and just press that in there. And just, oh my gosh, it's such a pretty, like, I love this. Now, I don't mind putting like a lot of blush today, only because I'm not contouring anything like that. So I feel like, this would just help assist it out a little bit. And you guys see how just, that gave me a little bit of color, but it looks so natural that, it doesn't look powdery. It looks really good. So now I'm gonna grab the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and this is just gonna bring my lower lashes out. I do have lash extensions. Let me just stop there. I know, 5 minutes, like I just had lash extensions. So let's say I didn't have lash extensions, I'm still gonna grab a mascara and just work this on my lashes. And let's say you have enough time and you feel like you need lash extensions, go ahead and pop them bad boys on. I feel like lash extensions is just gonna take your look to another level, to be honest. But if you don't have time for that, just grab your mascara, and you can do this in your car when you're waiting on traffic or something, and you should be good. So look at that. That looks pretty natural. I feel like you can't get more natural than this. So last but not least, I'm gonna grab my NYX lip pencil in the shade Downtown Beauty. I'm gonna top it off with a quick lip gloss. yo, grab any lip gloss, it doesn't matter. This just seems to be sitting here, so I'm gonna grab this one, and this is the Morphe gloss in the shade Frose. I'm just going to put this all over my lips. Alright, my babies, so this is it for this look. What do you guys think? I feel like this is so 5-minute appropriate. Like, I didn't do too much. I didn't use too much products. Now, you can definitely minimize on the products. You don't have to add blush if you're not a blush person. I am. You can just tweak some things into this makeup look for something that you can do within 5 minutes. Now, for me, I usually grab products that I really, really need and can't go out the door without if I'm gonna wear makeup, and that's normally concealer. Everything that I used on my face, that's exactly what I would use on an everyday makeup look that's more quick and easy, and this is definitely it. So yeah, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed it. As usual, give this video a big thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you're new, and also hit that notification bell so then you are always notified when I upload. As usual, I love you guys so much. Now, open the sana, and I'll see you guys in my next video.